Do you want to unleash your potential to earn more and to have better outcomes, more successful career? Then what you need to do is unleash the potential of your leadership and management skills. Having leadership skills can unlock your wage earning substantially. A recent University of California study showed that increasing your leadership skills can improve your wages over your lifetime between 4 and 33%. That's game changing. Building your management and leadership skills seem like two different things, but in fact, they are two sides of the same coin. So you might build these skills in one of two ways: find a mentor or mentor yourself. Self mentorship is a perfectly viable way of improving yourself. Either way, you're going to want to assess, reflect, role play, and review. These 4 steps are going to help you through this entire process I'm going to take you through. So what's the difference between management and leadership? Let's break it down. Management is the art of organization-led competency in action. That would be organizing, systemizing, prioritizing, delegating, and coaching. These are skills managers exceed at. They are skills that organize, deliver, and provide structure to a team so they can do their work, be their best. Leaders, however, have a different skill set, and that's the art of inspired-driven, cooperative-led outcomes. So they are focused on the end goal. They begin with the end in mind, they inspire others, and they're trying to get people to cooperate. You're not a leader if no one's following you. So really, leaders have a particular kind of skill set. They wonder, they have curiosity, innovate, challenge others to think beyond or do beyond. They develop others and inspiration. So they are about inspiring others through great storytelling, having great ideas, and sharing those ideas very freely with others. These two skill sets are complementary to each other. So how do you build them? If you're focused on your management skills, what you want to do is think about what skill you already have and what skill you want to grow. Now, you can do this through the assessment phase, and I've actually got a whole video on how to assess your skills in management, and I'll put a link below. Now, when you're going through this assessment, you're going to be looking at, do you have the right people, process, and technology skills? There are videos that can help you in my channel for all of these things. Managers focus on what is the goal, what do you need to execute the goal, and who will help you in executing that goal. In doing this, there are some essential skills managers need to have. Obviously, operational skills, structural skills, but also understanding certain models like governance, how to create a great culture, how to involve your team so they are high performing. All of that is what great managers do, whether you're managing a project or a department. Next, you want to understand and embrace your leadership style. So if you want to be a better leader, I suggest you again follow this 4-step process. First, assess. Know who you are. I have a whole process of understanding what kind of a leadership style you have and what's working for you. What do you want to improve? What do you want to change about the way you're actually manifesting those leadership skills and styles? And in this process, what you'll want to do with a trusted colleague or your mentor is go through the role play. So what is role playing? It's just practice. It's just having a conversation. But this conversation has a purpose. This conversation is going to be about how to take an issue outstanding. Maybe you want to convince someone of something, or maybe you need to ask someone something or correct someone in some way. And then you need to have the outcome you're looking for. What do you want from this person? What's your ask? And how are you going to create that ask? Are you going to create a call to action? Are you going to try to motivate them? Whatever it is, you can role play through that using your leadership skills. And when you do this enough, you'll start to actually develop these other sort of leadership muscles. Doing that can give you the confidence you need to succeed. And that creates a virtuous circle where you get better, you're more effective, you're happier with your leadership skills, and so you continue to be confident and improve on them. Mentorship is one of the best ways to help yourself learn these skills. If you're not using a mentor yet, then I suggest you look for one. And I even have a process of how to find a mentor and how to create a mentoring relationship. I have a workbook for mentorships, which is an interactive guide, and I'll put a link below so you can download that guide. I hope you found this information helpful and valuable. And if you did, consider giving this video a like, subscribing to the channel, checking out the links below, and looking at this video playlist on leadership and management skills. And I'll see you next time on ProjectSkillsMentor.com.